Mm. I'm moving Sunday. Very stressful. That looks so good. It is good. What are you doing? Oh yeah, I got some corn. Sorry, I have ADHD. Look it up. Man, y'all so judgmental. Y'all don't even fucking know me and shit. Holy fuck, man. It is good, Karen. It is. Mm-hmm. So, mac and cheese from KFC is the best. I haven't had KFC in years. Yeah. It's good. They have a Patel's down there. Or is it up there? They have the best French fries of any of the fast food places. Really? You think so? It is pretty good. It is good. Why you eat like a cow, fat fuck, shared the life? Can you go on with your life? Like, you're a disgusting creature, dude. You're a disgusting fucking little creature. Thank you, Ma. It's about damn time. Thank you. Thank you. That was rude. Disgusting. No, you're good, Peyton. It's like fucking disgusting, dude. Like, let me tell you something, okay? If you don't like how I eat, you don't like it, then don't watch me and come back when I'm not eating. It's that simple. Enzo, don't start. Please don't start. We're not doing this shit. No. 100% fuck no. Alright. You know what I'm gonna do? I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea. Until I'm done eating. Because I'm done. I'm done. I'm just done. You know, what's really hurtful is body shaming somebody, calling somebody a fat fuck. And all you haters out there think that you all want to hold me and Gabi accountable for the way we speak to other people. But yet again, there's so much people out there that are so much worse than that. Like, I don't get it. But haters, do you go after the people that body shame other people? Do you agree with stuff like that? Do you agree other people hating on somebody and calling them fat and ugly and stupid, the R word, the F word, over and over again? I have a message from some random number calling me the R word over and over and over and calling me the F word over and over and over and over and over again. Do you support those kind of people, haters? Genuine question, do you? Just saying. Just saying. You know, I could easily sit here and I want you to listen up, haters. I really do. If I sat on my live, and I know I've said some bad words I'm not proud of, I'll admit that. Almost that. But I've learned my lesson, and I have never done it since. Okay? But if I sat here and called all you haters the F-bomb, the F word, the R word, call you, you know, a lot of not so nice stuff, you probably would screen record me, post me on all social media, and say this is how somebody talks to some other person. This is how Dani fucking bullies other people. But when other people do it, it's okay. Like, there's no consequences for their actions. It's okay to do it. You know how sad that actually sounds? I'm just saying. Just saying. I know I've done some things. I know I have said some words that I'm not happy about. And I have not yet said anything besides that point. I was in the wrong, and I'll hold myself, and I even admit that. But I feel like, you know, if I sat on here and said all those words and then called you FAT, bullied you, body shamed you, kept doing it over and over again, over and over and over and over and over again, you would look at me like a disgusting motherfucker. Like, how could you speak that way to people, Dani? That's bullying people. You're being hated, Dani. But vice versa, you do it to me and don't see a problem with it. Can you imagine if I sat there and said the exact same words as you guys are telling me? I guarantee I'd be plastered all over this social media word if I was using that type of language every day, 24/7. I get messages in my messenger. I get TikTok messengers calling me the R word, the F word over and over again. I wish I could fucking show you the messages on Facebook that I get. The text messages that I have received is absolutely disgusting. And you guys probably, all you haters probably think that, oh yeah, no, that you deserve that. You deserve all these people calling you the R word and the F word. But if I do it, thank you, paid for the gifts. But if I do it, oh hell, all hell breaks loose. I just don't understand it. Maybe I'll never understand it. Like, I have admitted my wrongs. I have gone on my platform and admitted my wrongs. And you haters that trash me and Gabi and bully me and Gabi and say some really hurtful things about me and Gabi, you don't even have the guts to get onto your own platform or make a video and say, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't have said that to Dani, or maybe I shouldn't have acted that way to Gabi. Makes me no better than them if I keep doing that or making them, upset about me and Gabi.
Look at me, look at me, look at me.
But
Why
yet
not
again,
yes, I do.
no one else is in the
world.
wrong except for me
Gabi
and
is coming
Gabi.
through with a new brand car.
Nobody else gets to be held accountable
Cameron,
for
what do you think?
the way
Tell
they
everybody.
act to somebody else.
Show
That
us the
stings.
outside? Okay.
And that hurts.
Hi. So 2014. We're finishing up the paperwork. I have to put it in. We were able just to.
Anything I say, anything I do.
Oh my word, Cam, we
gets
got a
held
car.
against me.
We got a car, baby. We got a car. We got a car. Are you excited?
I guarantee it.
This is Mama's car. Oh, I'm so excited.
I'd be very sickening and sad.
It does take all day.
If they're haters.
You want to close the door? Yeah. Let's close the door. Okay, ready?
And supported somebody that says
Okay, be
the
careful.
R word and the F bomb over and over again to somebody. And body shamed them over and over again. I get it. I have accidentally said the R word. And I'll be the one to admit that. I've also said the F word. Didn't know what that meant at the first time until they all told me what it meant.
Hold on, no,
was
don't
actually
touch
disgusting.
this.
When I
Okay,
found
so
out, when I did
thanks
my
guys so
research
much.
and
Welcome in everybody.
stuff
What?
like that, and I
What?
got told what that means. I felt absolutely disgusted.
Wait, and look at this, look at this, look at this.
And that word has never came out of my mouth ever again.
It comes with YouTube!
And I was angry at that point, and I said something, and I just said it out of anger, but I did say it. But I'll come on here first and admit that. And say it was wrong, and it was disgusting, and I should have never said that word.
It's a Mazda. I have to connect to the
I'm
internet.
not afraid to come on here and admit that I've done things that I'm not proud of.
Mommy? Yes, honey?
But all you other haters
Okay,
think it's
baby,
okay
what?
to do that to somebody.
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how to do all
Y'all
of this, baby.
think
Hold
it's
on.
okay to call
We
somebody
gotta take
a
it nice
name,
and slow, 'cause I
to
don't know
hurt
how to do this.
somebody, to
Here,
body
can Mama
shame
see, baby?
somebody,
Can Mama see?
to make them feel
Okay,
like
so this is the radio.
they're nothing
Let's
but
see.
a shithole.
Oh, this is nice. Okay, hold on. What did you touch? What did you do?
support
What did
those
you
kind
just
of
do?
people?
Baby, what did you just do? Oh my god, what did you just do? Oh my god, what the fuck did you just do? Shit. Okay, don't touch this. I don't even know how to freaking do this.
I get it.
What? I don't even know how to do this. Please connect to the HEP. What does that mean?
I mean, I hope you don't
Oh
support
god,
them,
somebody help me. A mic, Bluetooth.
but you're just like
Oh,
them.
we in trouble here. Hold on a second. Don't touch.
You
Don't.
might not think
okay,
that.
whatever. Fine. Touch the home button.
can
I
hate
did.
me. You can
There.
say,
Stop it. Stop it. You
me
better knock it
accountable.
off.
whatever the case may be.
I feel so bad because Coco's in the cage right now. Like, I'm coming home, Coco. I'm coming home, baby. Excuse me, don't hit me. That's not nice.
When you call me a fat fuck, and you call me the R word over and over again.
Yes, honey. Yes, it's cool air.
That hurts. Dumb looking Shrek.
Yes, it's my new car. This is my new car. There's the back
green
seat.
screen all the messages that I get. You would actually puke. And I don't want to do that to you.
91,000 miles,
But it's absolutely disgusting and
$11,000.
sickening.
We put down $5,000.
I can't even read them.
My monthly payments $240.
There's some really
It is
nasty people
which
out
is
there in the world.
fantastic. It is a
Just remember.
2014 Mazda CR, I think.
Remember what I just said.
CX-5. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
You're nothing better.
It's a Mazda. Yep. But you know
Than
what?
me
I
and
am
my
so
sister.
happy.
Based on what you do.
I
and how
could
you
literally
control
cry.
things.
You know why? Because it's not just for me, but it's for my son. And we are free. We can go shopping. We can go to anywhere, Cam.
That's all I'm saying. That's it.
Literally.
I'm done.
Do you know what
I
we're
said
gonna do
what I had
all
to say.
week? We
I'm done
are
on that.
going to get out of here, and we are going to have so much fun. Yeah! High five! Are you ready for our adventure? We're gonna go on a trip. 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 We're gonna go on a trip.
Yeah.
170.
Mommy.
What?
Yes.
No.
Dad. Me.
I know.
Mommy.
What?
Me. No. Dad.
Is it an SUV? It is. It is.
I ate some KFC. It was pretty good. You're beautiful, Dani. Don't let them
Oh,
get to you.
thank you, Jesus. Oh, my word. What? This is like a dream come true.
Wow, that was a moving speech. People should listen.
Oh, my God. I told you. I made a video, and I'm like,
Yeah, I just spoke facts. This is how I felt, and I wanted to get off my chest.
Have a kiss. I love you.
That's how I feel.
Thank you. Thank you. Huh?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Everybody wants to come at me and say all these horrible things. And do
love
whatever they
you.
want to do to me, or
Yes.
even if I say one wrong word, or if I say this word, if I do this, or how
Yeah,
I
but your
act,
heart's
and whatever the
in here.
case may be, it's a huge problem. It's a
The
huge
back
problem.
seat.
But it's okay. It's okay for them to do
It's
it.
a Mazda.
And all the haters like don't even care and don't even hold them accountable for the way they treat other people
Great.
and using those kind of foul languages. But it's okay. So at the end of the day, they support those kind of people. That's just how I look at it.
You got it.
That's how I look at it. That's all I'm gonna say. That's just how I look at it.
Oh my word! Okay, so I just wanted to come on here and just tell everyone I could not keep it a secret.
I get
We've
that
been
you're
here
upset, but it's not you, it's them.
here
They
since
have the
12
problem,
o'clock.
you don't.
We'll go
I
inside
know.
with me. But I just wanted
Did you see Gabby's new car? No, I didn't.
I
You're
really
so much
don't
better.
really-
Yeah, we are twins. Wait, yes, it's so nice. What'd she get? It's about damn time she gets a damn car. As long as I apologize for it, don't count. What are you talking about? I don't understand that. I don't understand that. Gabby got her car. I'm happy for her. That's good. It's about dang time. Life feels happier. I don't care if they post a video on what I just said. I don't care. I spoke what I wanted to say. I got it off my chest, and that's just how I literally feel. If everyone has an issue with it, that's their problem. I don't know what else to say. You know, let me tell you something. When you call somebody a fat fuck or you're bullying, you're body shaming somebody, do you have any idea that you could be really affecting somebody in my chat right now? Wow. It mind blows me. What you doing? You ready? Come here. Come here, you snuggle book and look at no motherfucking little motherfucker. I love you so fucking much. Yes, I do. I love you. Yes, I do. I do love you. Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Yes, you do. I know you love the mama. Yes, you do. I love you so much. Yes, I do. Love you. You little cutie patootie. What you doing? Is she live right now? I'm trying to save my electricity. I'm sorry, I'm in the dark because I hate lights and I like to save my electricity. But I am going to kind of take some time for myself and get off of here. And I have my family coming to grab some stuff. So I just want to take about 15 minutes to myself, kind of just lay down and relax. And then I'm going to get back up and I'm going to have to get all my stuff collected for them to come over here and grab the stuff. So, no, stay with us. You want me to stay? Alright, I'll stay for 15 minutes. I just want to relax. I just want to relax. Just give me a second, okay? I'm coming. I'm up. I'm coming. What's going on? You okay? You want to get what? You want to go in this room? I'm trying to relax, Enzo. Like, really, dude. Come on. Oh, come here. What is it? Come here. Come talk to mommy. Come here. What is it? You okay? What's wrong? You're stressed out? Yeah, I know. Your mother's very, very stressed out right now. What's wrong? Huh? What's going on? Talk to me. What, Enzo? What's going on? Enzo? Enzo, you okay? Okay. Now you're not gonna come talk to me? Okay, I see how it is. That's fine. Fine by me. I was enjoying my relaxation. Enzo, come here. You okay? You okay? Come here. Did you throw up? Enzo, come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, can I just get... Come here. Come here. Come here, Enzo. Come here. Come relax with Mama. No. That's not close enough. Come here. Come here. Lay down. Relax with Mommy, okay? Come on. Relax. Come here. Get up. Get up. Okay. Relax now, okay? Alright, let's just relax for 15 minutes, okay? Let's relax, okay? Oh my. Good Lord. Somebody pour me up another shot of whiskey. You okay? Are you alright? I'm gonna relax, because you know what? Somebody's coming to grab the TV, so we're not gonna have a TV here. We're not gonna have a dresser. She might be taking the bed. She's gonna take a lot of stuff, buddy. It's gonna be very stressful for you, okay? Alright, but it's gonna be okay, alright? I want you to listen to me, okay? As they're coming to pick up this stuff, okay? You gotta stay calm, okay? You gotta stay relaxed and you gotta stay calm for me, okay? Alright? Would you do that for Mommy? Will you relax if I relax? So if I stay calm, you gotta stay calm too, okay? That's the deal, okay? Because I don't want to stress you out, okay? You know that? You know I love you, right? And you know I'll do anything for you, right? You know that, right? And I know it's going to be very stressful. And I know you're going to get anxious. And I know everything's going to be okay, okay? But if Mommy stays calm, I need you to stay calm for me. I need you to stay relaxed for Mommy, okay? Alright? We gotta work as a team here, okay? And whatever you do, I do, okay? That's the deal, alright? So you promise me you'll stay calm and you'll stay relaxed. And I love you so much. And I'm so sorry. Alright, we're gonna go on a road trip to Florida. We're gonna stop at a hotel in Tennessee. Okay? Go get some snacks. I picked up a nice water bowl for you. So it's in the car. Okay? Got you a new litter box. Okay? I got some cat litter for you. Okay? I got some toys and some mice and stuff like that for you to play in the car. Right? Yeah, and I got you a brush to brush you. I got you dry shampoo so I could shampoo you and wash you. And I'm not done talking to you, okay? I'm not done talking to you, all right? So, nope, not done talking to you, okay? Listen to me, okay? So that's a favor of what I'm going to do, okay? All right? I'm not done talking. Come here. Give me a kiss. I love you. Here you go. You can go. You're free. Go. Right now. He's had enough. All right. Oh. He says, oh, Mom. He did say, oh, Mom. He did. He really did. He did. Oh, I got so much stuff to do still. There's absolutely nothing. Like, what? No, you don't. No, don't unblock him. Danny, I was just blocked from commenting to someone speaking about Gabby, not you. Alright, go ahead and unblock him. Okay, I'm coming. Your mother's coming. Alright, you're whining. Enzo, I'm going to give you something to relax you. Because I can already tell you're tensed up. I can't even have 15 minutes to myself without you whining. Enzo, are you okay? Hey, relax, okay? Relax, calm down. I don't even know. I think he's stressed out. I think he can feel it. I can't even. I'm telling you, like I have so much stuff to do. Danny, you will need to unblock. It won't allow me for some reason. Okay, I will do it. All right, hold on. Oh, what is it? Let's see here. What was it? It's the busy account. Busy account. Was it muted or blocked? I'm looking. Hold on. I don't see it. I unblocked her. Okay, Tanya, thank you. She was saying Gabi was lazy. I wouldn't unblock, just not necessary to be mean ever. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Someone said she had a new car, and I said she has no excuse for being lazy, yes, but wasn't being negative. Yeah, but let's watch how we speak in the chat, alright? Because that's still my sister. Whether or not you guys have your own opinion, let's keep it nice, okay? Let's just keep it nice. Alright, and won't speak on her again. Thank you. Thank you out of respect. That's... See? You being upfront honest with me, I'm Gucci with that. I have you of accountability as a person, and thank you for doing that. That means a lot. That really, really shows me that you have a lot of respect. So, thank you. Mad respect for you on that. Hey, Danny, are you getting excited for the journey? No, I'm not. I'm not. Accountability and communication is the key of life. It is. Being a stay-at-home mom is far from being lazy. Thankful she has a car to get out with Cam. Be nice, people. Thank you for being understanding. We all make mistakes and learn from them. Exactly. See? Exactly. 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 There it is. You just said it. All right. Relax. Oh, I got like, what, 10 more minutes? No one is perfect. Nobody is. When do you go to Florida? Okay. How many times do I have to say when I'm leaving? Alright. Listen. I am leaving Sunday. I don't know if I'm leaving at 8 or 4. It's either between 4 a.m. or 8 a.m. I don't really know. I'm not a morning person. I'm just not. I'm not a morning person. So, I'm probably going to leave at 8. I don't even care. I'm going to leave at 8 a.m. and be done with it. So, I'll get up at 5 a.m. Well, 6 a.m. Yeah, I'll get up at 6. No, I'll get up at 5:30. 5:30 I'll get up. I'll give Enzo his medication at 6. That's 2 hours prior to the driving. And then he'll be sedated by 8 o'clock a.m. Leave at 8. Yeah, I am leaving at 8. You taking all your stuff with you? Not all of it. No, it's because I'm vaping. You're going to live with her? Okay. So this is my plan. Listen up. Listen up, okay? I'm saying this one more time. I am leaving Sunday morning. I am traveling to Tennessee, getting a hotel there, stopping there. Then I am driving the other extra 10 hours to Florida, into Florida. I am not living with Gabi or Aaron, okay? I am staying with somebody that nobody knows, okay? I have the address, I have it all mapped out and stuff like that. That's where I'm going, it's where all my stuff is gonna go for the time being. And then I'm gonna leave my stuff there, go see my mom, go see Gabi, go see Cam, stuff like that. Get out, do what I have to do, get Enzo comfortable first, make sure he's secured, make sure he's okay, and then I'll go touch base and go see my mom, and I'll do that, and blah 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 blah, and then I'm gonna find a job, okay. Then I am gonna start looking for my own place in Florida. That's it. So that is what my plan is. Everything in, are you staying in Nashville or Chattanooga? Chattanooga. I'm staying in. I thought you were going to go over with your sister. No. You have a solid plan. Yeah. My car isn't packed. I only took my clothes. I have my scooter, I have some of my picture frames, everything else. My mom is coming to collect it, and she's going to put it into storage. So she's probably going to take my bed. I don't know where I'm going to sleep on tonight. I'll probably sleep on the floor if she does take my bed. I'll sleep on the carpet. I don't care. And then she's taking, she'll probably take my dresser. She'll go ahead and take the entertainment center, the TV, the kitchen table and chairs, my air fryer, a couple of boxes, a rug that I'm gonna throw out, and that's pretty much it. Everything else is staying in here. I don't care. They can throw it out. They can take me to court. Don't give a flying fuck. Don't care. Don't care. It's not even that much anyway. So I don't know when they're coming. I have no idea. Is your mom driving down with you then? No. She said you can live with her. If this place doesn't work out as what I want it to work out and I don't feel comfortable, then yes, I will probably stay with Gabi. But for right now, it's no. I'm not staying with Gabi. I'm not gonna. Enzo can go wherever he pleases. He can roam around the area and stuff like that. And doesn't have to be locked up in a room. If I go to Gabi's, Enzo's locked up in the room because of Coco, and I don't want to do that. And then Coco's gonna bark because Coco's gonna know that Enzo's in the room. It's gonna be a shit show, and I'm not giving you guys a shit show. I'm just not. And I know half of you guys want the shit show of me and Gabi living together, and you're not gonna get it. So that's why I'm not moving in with her. And I'm gonna be on with you. When I do make this move, I will be going live. I will be checking in with you guys, but I am not going to be on TikTok on a vacation. Like, oh, I can be on TikTok 24/7 or like 8 hours or 4 hours or 5 hours throughout the day. No, it's game time. It's not vacation time. It's not party time. It's not going to the beach time. It's not any of that, okay? It's time to buckle down, get a job, get my medication squared away, get me comfortable. It's a new environment. It's a new beginning. I'm going to start looking for jobs and get on my own 2 feet. I'm going to hustle as hard as I can. TikTok is not going to be where I'm at. TikTok doesn't pay my bills. TikTok doesn't, do anything. It's just for comfort zone and support. That's pretty much what it comes down to it. So, again, will you see me? Yeah, you will. Will you see me at the beach one day? Yeah, you will. Will you see me at a pool? Yeah. But I'm not going to be going live and saying, hi guys, this is what I'm doing, this is where I'm at, look at this place, and show you everything. No. I'm going to go see my family and spend time with my family. But I will check in, I'll say I'll do all of that. I'll make sure that you guys, make sure that I'm there and stuff like that. I'll give you that respect. But when I get down there, it's head in the game time. Just do a TikTok schedule. That way you don't have that stress. I will. Do you think you can live with Bobby? What? Live with Bobby? Oh, hell no. 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 No way. No. 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 No, 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 no. Absolutely freaking bananas. No way. Heck. No. No. I just can't. I can't. Way too controlling. Way too, No way. That's not what I want, No, I'm good. I have somewhere else I'm staying. That's where I'm going. It's like a little roommate. So, no way. He doesn't even like cats. Fort Myers has apartment furnished for $1,000 a month furnished. Oh, really? That's good. I don't know. Like I said, TikTok's not going to be my life anymore. I'm going to be around family. I'm going to make new friends. I'm going to have people outside of TikTok that I'm going to talk to and FaceTime and stuff like that. I don't need it. I'm probably not going to even want to be on TikTok. It's just going to be an adventure and, you know what I'm saying? It's not a vacation. And, I'm on TikTok now because I live alone. I got nobody. But if I'm somewhere where I have family and friends, I won't have to need TikTok. And I told everybody that, about a year ago. If I had family or if I lived with a spouse and I had children or whatever the case may be, I would not be streaming my life 24/7. I would be with them, spending time with them, making memories, and doing that kind of stuff. I wouldn't want to share that with TikTok. And I've said that if I had a girlfriend or whatever the case may be and I had a family, I wouldn't jump on TikTok and push them out of the way and be like, oh yeah, it's all about me and TikTok. And no, I don't believe that. I believe that spending time with family and spending time with true loved ones and spending time with your people, that you need to be there for them and love them unconditionally and support them. And that's just what I believe in. I believe that comes first. I don't believe that TikTok is no, I don't believe that. So I will be on this journey with you guys when I get there, and then Danielle is signing off of social media for a while not for a while, but till I get settled in, pretty much. When I get my own place and stuff like that, I'm on my own again and stuff like that, then yeah, I'll go back on live and show you guys some stuff. It's important that you're not wrong. This app shouldn't be the only comfort. Happy for you, babe. Thank you, Morgan. I appreciate that. I'm excited for you, Dani. I wish all the best. Thank you, Candy. I appreciate that. It's a nightmare. I gotta get up. Ugh. I got stuff to do. Okay. Alright, guys. I am gonna go. I wanted to relax for a little bit. Look at him. Just chilling. And I don't want people seeing what I'm doing. So I am going to sign off. And I'm going to get my boxes together and stuff like